Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great and are safe at home, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about kojic acid. So I have tried these two products right here, and this is from the brand called Derma. So I have their 2% kojic acid face serum, and I also have their 2% kojic acid face cream. So in today's video, I'll be talking about how these kojic acid products work and what are my thoughts on these particular products. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. But before we get into the video, you know the drill. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit on that notification bell to stay updated every single time I upload a video. And let's get started. So the first product that I have right here is the 2% kojic acid face serum for dark spots and pigmentation. Now this has 1% alpha arbutin, kojic acid, niacinamide, and you are supposed to use it twice a day, in the daytime as well as in the night time. All of these products are dermatologically tested. They are paraben SLS free, and they are also free from sulfate, dye and mineral oils. Now this is how their outer packaging looks like. It comes in this cardboard sort of packaging, which is their normal packaging. It looks nice and clean, and when it comes to skincare products, I always prefer nice and clean packaging, which they do come with. Now let's move on to the actual product, which looks like this. Now it comes with a frosted glass jar packaging, and also it comes with a dropper, which is really easy to use, and you are getting 30 ml of product in 499 rupees, which is a standard quantity. So yeah, when it comes to the price point, it comes under 500 rupees, which is great. It has kojic acid and alpha arbutin. Kojic acid has anti-aging effects. It lightens your dark spots, treats melasma, and helps decreasing the appearance of scars. It helps in minimizing your skin's discoloration and stubborn brown patches, and also it works great if you have hyperpigmentation. Now alpha arbutin also works great on hyperpigmentation like age spots, acne marks or melasma, and you are supposed to apply 3 to 5 drops all over your face and neck. Massage gently until it gets absorbed. Now this is specially made for pigmentation. If you have dark spots, pigmentation, acne scars and acne marks, and if you have a lot of discoloration on your face, you should definitely try this one out, because this is specially made for dark spot and pigmentation. Then the next product that I have right here is the 2% kojic acid face cream. This is for pigmentation, and this has vitamin C, glycolic acid, tetrahydrocurcumin. I don't know what that is. I will search on Google and write it on the screen. And you are supposed to use it twice a day, in the daytime as well as in the night time, followed by the kojic acid serum. And these are dermatologically tested. They are free from paraben SLS sulfate, dye and mineral oil. So if you are someone who don't like fragrances in their skincare products, you are gonna like this one, because it doesn't come with any fragrance at all. This is the step 2 in your skincare routine, and this helps in treating pigmentation. It promotes healthy and radiant looking skin. You are supposed to use it twice a day, followed by a broad spectrum sunscreen. Now I really like this particular cream because it doesn't feel oily or sticky or greasy on the skin, and it feels really lightweight on the skin. After applying it, you won't even feel like you are having anything on your skin at all. And especially when it comes to summer, I don't like anything very heavy on the skin. So this is really good even if you are using it in summer, because it's not gonna make you look sweaty or oily. This is oil free. As I said, it doesn't look oily or greasy on the skin, but if you have dry skin, it doesn't look dry matte as well. So if you have dry skin, you can easily use it, so it doesn't give you that dry matte finish on the skin. So I think you are gonna like this one. Now I have been using these two products. It's been a week or so I haven't seen a drastic change on my skin, but my skin is looking really great. I hope you guys can clearly see, because I'm not having any makeup on my skin. Okay, this is how my skin looks like. Now when it comes to pigmentation, I don't have a lot of pigmentation on my skin, but I have a little bit of patch right here. That's why I'm using these two products. I just want to see if it works on my skin or not, and it's been a week, so I have to use it for a month or so to give you a proper review. But so far so good, because I'm really happy with the way my skin is behaving right now. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. All of the product links and details will be mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And that's it for today's video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.